guys ha. Dayan stick guys. This is well done ha. He break with guys ha. Well done. I make well done guys ha. How to make stick, beef stick guys. You see? Yan guys ha. Yan. So order yan guys ha. Akin ang isa dyan. Yan guys ha. Yung ating sauce ng Dayan stick. Yan guys white sauce. And green pepper. Yan guys ha, ating siyang pakukuluan natin siya. Yan. Ito nyo guys ang ating Dayan sauce guys ha. Yan. Mashed potato, side order yan guys ha, dalawa din. Mashed potato guys ha. Lagyan natin siya sa oven. Yan guys ha. Yan, lagyan natin siya dito. And then 2 minutes guys. Yan guys ha, 2 minutes. O 2 minutes. Yan. Medium well, okay na to. Medium well na yan guys. Okay na yan. Medium well lang guys ha. Yan, medium well guys. Dito na sa dito. Ready na yan guys ha. Vegetable guys ha. Lagyan natin sa mainit na tubig. Yan guys ang vegetable. Yan guys ha. Or the stick. Yan guys ha, butter. Or guys I put now the vegetable ha. The vegetable I put here. I put yan. Salt guys ha. Salt. Little black pepper. Yan guys ha. Ready na siya. Yan ha guys ha, ready na. Ilalagay na natin sa sauce niya ito ha, yung stick. Yung stick guys, ilalagay na natin sa sauce niya ha. Ito yung sauce niya guys. Dito na natin ilagay sa sauce niya lahat. Yan guys ha, you see? Yan guys ha. Kaya ang gears ha, ready na tayo, setting na. Lagyan natin siya na Chef Arag! Okay rin ba? Tapos lagyan natin yung ating mashed potato guys ha. Dapat kasi ganyan siya, may ulmahan tayo para magandang tignan guys. Yan, konti lang. Yes. Ito lang. Okay, level na. No problem na lang ito. Put mo. Kalas. Okay na siya guys. Ngayon, saan naman tayo? Sa stick guys tayo. Ito yung stick natin guys. Medyo well lang siya guys. Kaya kailangan na medyo ganyan lang pagkaluto guys. Yan. Isa rito. Isa yung stick. Wow. Wow. Guys, vegetable tayo ha. Yeah, vegetable tayo guys. Wow, nahulog. Already go down. Guys, vegetable tayo guys ha. Taga natin kasi wala tayo propuli. Napuno tayo ng propuli. Sira na itong narin. Yan na yung ating. Yan, ready na siya guys. Kamayin na nga natin, pinapakamayin. Yes. Yan. Tapos guys, yan mga guys, lagyan natin siya ng kaunting sauce. Okay, design guys ha. Wow. Wow. Ready na guys. Thank you for watching guys. Lagyan natin ang fountain decoration. Oh no, what happened when you go down? Accident guys. Lagyan na rin natin sa kabila para parehas. Yan. Yan. Yes. Now is finished guys. I remove one hair. Wow. I remove. Then I put parsley. Guys, thank you. Wow. You see guys? Thank you for watching guys. Now steak is ready guys. Thank you. God bless to all.